Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you some of the products I recently hauled from Jumia. Now, if you didn't know this, Jumia is like our Amazon in Nigeria, okay? Now, if you want to see the items I hauled, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. Okay guys, so I recently found out that I needed some certain products, and so I checked around me here and it was so difficult for me to get. And then I remember Jumia, me and Jumia were BFS, we were like this, we were so tight. And so I went to Jumia and I hauled these products and I am so happy I did. Now the first products I hauled are power banks. See, I have been a big fan of Oraimo products. Like anything Oraimo brings out, like it's always 100. But I found out that recently several of my Oraimo power banks started to have this thing. Like some of the most recent ones I hauled, I think this one is just about a year old now. See, it has this thing where it starts, I had to use rubber band to hold this one. It starts swelling and then starts separating, and after that it just goes bad. See this other one? They are both from Oraimo. This one is from Oraimo as well. And then I have another one here. This one is not yet bad. I'm just using it to charge my phone, but you can see that it has started to swell. And there is another one also, a small 10,000 mAh like this that I just tossed off. Because I mean, it just charged to 100 and it has swollen up like this. Once you put your phone in it, it just goes off. And so I was thinking, their chargers, their earpods, every other thing, like I've been using some for years. These ones are barely a year, 2 months old. I made a large haul then. I think I bought about 5 power banks. I gave my husband one and then I had 4 left with me and everything. So I saw that this other brand New Age was having a sale, and so I decided to hop on and get. The Jumia sent the boxes in different. I placed the other ones, but they apparently went to different vendors. You know the way they do normal, like all these kind of companies, and then they send the others out as they are fulfilled. Okay, so these are the power banks right here from New Age. I actually thought they were different ones because the picture I saw, I don't know, it was in the night I did place the other. So it turned out that they are the same power bank. So I got to, I think I've used anything from New Age because I've been like an Oraimo girl from the very get-go. So I'm hoping that this is a 20,000 mAh and it looks just like this. Really beautiful, quite heavy, sleek. Comes with a charger as well, and just the same thing with the 2 of them. So I got those 2 from New Age. I'm sincerely hoping and keeping my fingers crossed that New Age is a good brand. Within the next year 2 months, I will see whether these ones will still swear. Now look for another brand. I'll keep on doing that until I find what exactly I'm looking for. And then I got the second parcel, and this one has my face wash. Now, like, because I'm on makeup like every other day, every single day, not even every other day, I must always wash take my makeup off at the end of the day with a facial wash. I discovered it works better for my skin tone, my skin type. And so I had searched everywhere here in Asaba and I didn't really find the simple moisturizing face wash. And so I went on Jumia and I found it. And even the last time I found it here in Asaba, it was so expensive because people are apparently leaving Neutrogena, Clean and Clear and Co. and going for the cheaper alternatives. And this one, I can't remember how much I got it, but it was less than 6,000. So I got this simple one. So happy I got that. I think that is the second parcel that came. No, the third, because these two power banks came separately. One came in this carton, another came in the second carton, but I just didn't want to have so many cartons here today. And then this face wash came in this carton. That's the third item. The fourth item came in this Jumia nylon like this. I saw this Nivea 2-in-1 show. Because it was at night, maybe it was sleepy eye, I don't know. I thought that the cap was blush nude. So I was like, I've used the Nivea Pearl and Beauty, the white cap, the black cap, and I was just so curious to what this one was. Like I said, I did this order at night, so don't blame me, don't judge. So it came and it's the white cap. So I still love it. So it came in a pair. That is 2. I've opened this one up because I already started using this one. You guys know I love this Nivea Pearl and Beauty roll-on. So I have 2 of them right here. Typically, I would get this from a supermarket here in Asaba, but since I was placing the order and there is this thing Jumia does, if you place the order on a weekend, they give you some amount of money off, and then the shipping cost is a bit lower. So spilling the secrets. So that's the third item that came in. The fourth item that came in is this one right here, and it came in this nylon, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the fourth item, yes. And it is this new age true wireless earbud, quite affordable. I've not really been like a wireless earbud kind of person. I always love my wired earpieces because just plugging, and I'm not fit for wahala. But of recent, those wires, the same way I'm using the wireless mic now, I'm just beginning to love the comfort, the freedom it gives. So I did a little bit of research, and this one is good. Then Jazz is their brand ambassador. So I got it, and it looks just like this, really small, really petite. I use an Android phone, so it works with my Android phone, and looks just like this. Just fix it in your ear, connect to your Bluetooth, and you can do. I actually wanted the black, and you can do everything you have to do. So I love this. Yeah, but I've been using it. I did not wait for nothing. So that is the fifth item that came in. And the sixth and final item that I got from Jumia came in this carton right here. Like, these orders came the way I'm showing them to you. That's how the orders came. 6 separate packs. So I received them on different days. That's another thing. So if you place the order together, what I typically do is I wait for them to start arriving, because you have like 5 days within which you can pick up and not pay demurrage or anything. So typically within that 5 days, like 3 or 4 would have come. So you just pick up once, then wait for the other ones and pick up together, because it's not easy. I picked up from their pickup station closest to me. So the 6th and final item I got from Jumia came in this carton, and can you guys guess what it was? I finally got my Clean and Clear morning burst. This is the reason for this haul. I needed a power bank, yes, but this is the second reason for this haul, because tell me why I logged on to Jumia and I saw that this particular vendor I had bought from before was selling this Clean and Clear morning burst, because I can confirm that it's authentic. I've bought twice from her, and she was selling it for 18,000 naira. Oh, the way I reached there, because mine just got finished, and I mean, this thing is good for my skin, so good. And so because I got that other simple one, I can alternate, like use this today, use the simple tomorrow, use the simple, so that my skin is still skinning. It works beautifully well, especially if you have oily skin. You guys know my love for Clean and Clear Morning Boost now. It's like a facial foaming cleanser. After you take off your makeup, like baby wipes and micellar water, you just like apply this on your damp face, lather, wash, and it takes off everything, every single dirt left on your skin. Very, very good. And so those are just the 6 things I got from Jumia. Jumia is like our Nigerian Amazon. I always say that, and sometimes people are like, no, just call it Jumia. I'm like, yes, but you can sit in the comfort of your home and order anything you want. You have to be prudent though, because sometimes, man, things they advertise, temptation is too much. Those are all the products I got from Jumia. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end. And until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye guys.